Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Trapping Squad. Today we are doing the second catfish tournament, and the weather's not too good. What are we gonna do?
It's just a tornado watch. And severe thunderstorms coming in about an hour. We got an hour.
Really? Really?
Alright, why don't you start getting these rods out then? What's up?
Yeah.
A who?
A fishy.
Not huge, but it's a start, right? And we ain't gonna have a lot of time today, are we? Dun, dun, dun.
Tornado.
Here we go.
Fishy. Oh no, he's stuck in the net. That's not good.
Can you grab me the pliers?
No. Sir. Sir.
Is it decent? Ah, little guy. Let's swing him.
Got him.
You got him. Not gonna give you much weight, but you got him. Alright, here we go.
I literally saw it move like an inch and I'm like, I think that's a fish.
You nailed it. Can you open live well?
Yes.
I don't know if you want to start checking some lines.
Okay.
Make sure they still got bait and everything. Oh, that one got bit behind you.
Oh. Grab the GoPro.
Yep, you drop it? I feel like you should have. No, you just had to snug it up yet. Huh. The storm's getting a lot closer. Decent or little?
What?
Little or decent?
I think it's little. Yeah. Oh. Did you not see that?
Oh, I wasn't looking. Jeez.
Look.
Wow. Alright, here's this.
Hey, Billy.
We'll throw them in the live well for now.
Oh no, they're tangled in the
Hopefully
line.
you get better than that. Did you tell your viewers about the new change because of all the catfish we had last time?
Can't we only catch like...
We can only register 15. We can catch more as our limit, but we can only weigh 15 fish.
Yeah. Tornado warning. The siren.
Listen to all them sirens. You're gonna have to hide in that duck blind for the tornado. Oh, I missed him. I think there's a lot of little ones here. You ready to hide in the duck blind so you don't get swept away by the tornado?
I don't think that's gonna do much.
No? I don't know. It looks pretty solid to me.
Really? Really?
Yep.
No.
I suppose at some point I should look at my phone and figure out where it was sighted and which way it's headed, huh?
Yeah, you probably should.
I don't see it coming across the lake, so that's good, right?
Yeah, not yet. Goodbye. The siren stopped and we got fishy.
Do you need the net?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we're gonna need it.
Oh, he's not that big.
Why would you do it that way?
I didn't know how big he was.
Why would you go under the rock? That one getting hit.
This one? You missed him?
Yeah.
A lot of little guys hidden, huh?
Lots. But look at that guy.
Uh-oh, that was lightning I just saw. That'll end us quick.
Evacuate. Okay. I hope we don't die from a tornado.
I'm dead.
And it will be all your fault.
Look how dark its head is on this one.
Okay, bye.
Another one?
I saw lightning. Oh, that one's getting hit.
Oh, I came off.
What is wrong with you?
I couldn't
You're
get it.
way too slow.
I couldn't get it out of the rod holder fast enough. Maybe it'll come back.
You make me angry.
Oh, whatever.
Angry.
All right, here you go. You don't look very angry.
There's lightning too.
Yep, it's on its way.
It's coming for
We'll
us.
definitely be cut short tonight because of that lightning and storm, but we'll give it as long as we can.
The sooner I can get dinner. I'm really hungry. I want my turtles. Where's my
I
golden?
need something before this.
I have a snack in the boat that you almost tried to throw away, so let me go get it. Sir, you're in my way. Thank you. They have snacks now.
That one.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Okay, guys. How many fish do we have?
I think around 5.
We have like 5 fish, so we need 10 more. Let's get 10 more, Dad.
I think that storm's gonna hit us before then.
5 more. Is that better? Oh! There's one getting hit.
Sounding like a silly goof.
Wait, look.
Swing and a miss.
So you guys, we just got news by one of the other people, and the tornado is coming towards us. It's
About
like
30 minutes away.
Then why are you casting that rod out?
Well, I'm gonna pick some of them up, put some out. You might be able to get 1 or 2 more before we completely wrap up. But
These
yes,
ones need to be rebaited. I don't know if we should do that.
we can rebait them, throw them out quick. I mean, we'll be back before them anyways, just from the speed of our boat.
Yeah. This is why you're supposed. This is why you listen and you check things.
Ow! Look at the weather. We got time.
Oh, look at the weather. We got time. See the tornado coming towards us. Oh.
And we don't have time anymore.
Oh,
If
duh.
we see the tornado coming, we don't have time anymore. We're out of time at that point.
I'm just eating my turtles peacefully. As there's a tornado
It's the
coming.
calm before the storm right now.
What?
See? It's the calm before the storm. See, it's calm, no wind.
Got a perfect title for this video. Tornado, catfish tournament.
Tornado messed up your tournament.
This turtle, if I eat it, the tornado will no longer come. Okay, it's no longer coming. Okay, we'll see you guys when the tornado comes. That was late timing, GoPro.
Yeah, might have got one more for the road, huh?
Yeah, we can leave now.
Yeah, I think we probably should. That storm's getting pretty close.
Okay, I'll get the rods. You guys, one lake equals 1 more % chance that this tornado will not hit us. It's your fault if it does. You. And this one's getting hit. Got it. This is our last fish.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay, do you not feel the wind? It was so calm, and yeah, we're gonna leave after this. This one feels bigger. Give me the net.
Oh, yeah.
Give me that.
This took drag, so it's got to have a little size to it. Oh, he ain't that big.
Okay, go pack it up
Alright, you gotta take this.
before you get us stuck in a tornado. We'll talk to you guys later.
Final one for the road, right? Last rod that was in the water. Bring it over here. It's a little better.
Wait, was this the one that we caught the other day?
No, I don't think so. No, he's smaller than the one you caught the other day, but he's still a good one. Alright, let's call her quits.
Yes.
Because it's looking ugly.
How about you stop filming
Hey.
and you get that hook?
The phone says the tornado and storm is 10 miles away. 10 miles. We got lots of time. You could catch 2 more fish.
No.
Alright.
Because you're crazy. Okay, you guys, so we caught like around 8 to maybe 10 fish. And we're going to start heading back because
It ain't worth it. Don't want to get struck by lightning.
coming from the guy who's like, one more. Do that again. Do it again.
One more.
You're so weird.
You driving?
I'd rather not.
You don't want to drive? It's not as bumpy anymore.
Let's go zoomy before we get pew pew. Yeah, that was a bad one. Bye. See you guys later.
It looks like we made it back just in time. Michelle's at the pub with her fish. And the tornado sirens are going off again.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. It is very bad out here, and they forced me to come out here.
Get over here! Come here!
What the heck? I'm going to the bathroom.
How do you pause this?
Okay, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. It's a little raining out here, and we are done. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside now. Bye.